quite nicely done up, very spacious. Kitchen is quite spacious. I'm in love with this master bedroom by Soho and Sky by Assets Group. Hello and welcome to Housey. I'm Vidya and today I'm delighted to introduce you to a lovely project called Soho and Sky by Assets Group located here at Jakur. And before I divulge more details about the project, I would like to give you some info about Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that directly connects home buyers with developers, thus giving you the project at bottom rate price. Housey also gives you the advantage of saving you from numerous phone calls from brokers. That way you can save your time and get your dream home from Housey. And Housey also helps you directly connect with the developer wherein you can get your dream home at a very good price by directly connecting with the developer through us with Housey. We are at the lovely Soho and Sky by Assets Group located here at Jakur, Hebal. This beautiful property is spread across a land parcel of 4.5 acres and it consists of about 5 towers as you can see. Each tower has your ground floor plus 13 floors. There are 3 varieties of flats or 3 variants of the flats. You have the 3 BHK flat with a carpet area of 1345 square feet, which is a normal one. You have the 3 BHK apartment under the super build up area, carpet area of 1659 square feet, and the 4 BHK apartment with a carpet area of 1886 square feet. As you can see, almost 70% of the carpet area is used here. And this property has lovely amenities like your swimming pool, you have your gymnasium and a lot more. And the best part is about the connectivity of the area. As you can see here, this area is connected to Yelahanka, Tanisandra and Shankar Nagar. I really love this property. It's very green. It has a very serene environment, a very calm environment. As I take you through some of the other locations here, you will get a better idea about this place. So today we are at Soho and Sky and I'm going to give you a tour of the 3 BHK apartment here, Soho and Sky by Assets Group. Come, let's have a look at it. As you enter, you can see there's a nice lovely foyer here. You can decorate it with paintings, decorate it with some interesting items as you like. As you move forward, wow, this place is actually very spacious. It has enough space to accommodate quite a nice living area as well as a dining area. So come, let's have a look at the living area. It's quite nicely done up, very spacious to accommodate about a 6-seater sofa and a couple of single chairs. And as you go outside, you see this is quite a nice balcony area, quite spacious, nicely done with a lot of greenery around. You can call in your friends and family, have your little evening tea parties and get-togethers here. It's quite spacious to accommodate quite a lot of people. And here you can see you have enough area to accommodate a showcase and a nice table to accommodate your television. You can also use it as a bookstore. Yeah, store all your books here. It's lovely. And the interesting part is you also have a nice area here. Okay, it's little tucked in area. You can use this as a bookshelf area. You can decorate it with your personal items, but this is good enough space that can be used as a storage space as well, or to keep your decorative items. It's quite nicely done. Now come, let's have a look at the first bedroom, also maybe your guest bedroom. This bedroom is quite nice. You can see it's cute. It accommodates a queen size bed. It has a nice view outside, beautiful French windows. You can see here you have an area which you can use as your study table or a wardrobe area. Quite nice, right? And you have a nice attached bathroom here, as you can see. The perfect room for your guest bedroom. Come. Now I'll take you through the dining area. The dining area is actually quite spacious. It comfortably accommodates your 8-seater dining area. You can extend it up to a 12-seater dining table as well. Quite spacious, and it leaves enough space between the dining area and the living area sofa here. You know, it's not crammed up. So this area here is actually quite huge. Now, come, I'll take you through the kitchen. As you can see here, kitchen is quite spacious. You have enough storage space created here at the bottom. You can design it however you like. You have enough storage space here in the top as well. Pretty nice. You can also extend it up and have more storage space constructed here on top. Quite spacious. You can even have a double door fridge also here. So there's enough space. And what I like here is a cute utility area. As you can see here, you can accommodate your washing machine, you can accommodate a dishwasher, and the outdoor utility area where your maid can use it. And the best part is a nice outdoor view. I really love the concept of this nice open glass window here. Quite interesting, isn't it? And the good part is you have enough storage space here on top and here at the bottom as well. I'm sure you like this. And you have a nice space here as well. You can have an extended table here. Keep all your other crockery items on display here. You can use it as a decorative table as well. But as you can see, there's enough space here to accommodate a much larger dining table. And if you are someone who likes to invite a lot of guests and relatives home and have a great time and some lovely parties with them, this is the place for you. Now let's have a look at the second bedroom, which is the kids' room. Alright, as you can see, the kids' bedroom comfortably accommodates a queen size bed. It has a nice tucked-in area here where your kids can store all their belongings. You can use it as a study area combined with a wardrobe on the side. Quite spacious. It has a nice French window here with a lovely view outside. And enough space even between the bed. As you can see here, there's a small table, corner table here on the side. There's a corner table here as well. Enough space between that. Or if you would like to use this space as the wardrobe area, you have enough space here next to the window, which can also be used as a study table area. Now let's take you to the common bathroom area right here. This is a common bathroom area. It's actually quite spacious. Quite spacious. You have a nice shower area. It's interesting. Now let's go have a look at the master bedroom. But before that, I want to share a little details about Housey. With Housey, you can have a look at the site visit with our team. With Housey, you will also get a location tour with our team. With Housey, you can also understand about the pros and cons about purchasing this product with our team. And at Housey, you can also understand the payment and down payment options and pricing, etc., which our team is definitely going to help you. And with Housey, you will also get a 360-degree virtual tour of the project. And if you like all this and you like the project, in 3 simple clicks, you can book a free site visit with us with Housey. I'm in love with this master bedroom by Soho and Sky by Seds Group. It is so spacious, so well ventilated, well lit. And as you can see here, it accommodates a nice king size bed. You have ample space here to accommodate a nice study area also, as you can see right behind you. There's enough space to accommodate a study area. There's enough space to accommodate your bedside tables and a nice beautiful wide French window here, which has a nice view outside. And if I purchase this flat, this is going to be my favorite spot. It's lovely, isn't it? It's sit here, read a book, enjoy the nice greenery view outside. You have a nice area here. You can make it your bookshelf, you can make it a television stand, have some books along with it. There's enough space here. As you enter also, the best thing is this room accommodates a study table as well as a dressing table. So there's that much area and space that this room runs along, you know. It's lovely, right? And you see here, nice dressing area. And my favorite part, and something your wife is going to be really happy about, is a nice walk-in closet. It is actually quite spacious, as you can see. If you plan it a little better, you can utilize the space much better. And this also has a nice attached bathroom, quite spacious shower area, a nice large window. And this is the perfect spot for your master bedroom. I'm in love with this master bedroom. I'm sure you like it too. So ladies and gentlemen, this was the lovely 3 BHK apartment by Soho and Sky by Assets Group, which runs across about 1,659 square feet. And if you've liked this video and you love this flat, you can register with us and visit a free site tour by registering with Housey.com. And you can also click in the link below and download the e-brochure. And you can also avail a free site visitor tour by contacting our team. And if you like this video and if you want to watch more such videos, we will be back again here at Housey. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe Housey. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Soho and Sky located in Jakkur by Assets.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.